clicking on this video is the best decision you've made today. Because in this video, I will teach you how to earn money just by creating images for free. I will teach you a step-by-step tutorial on what website we're gonna use and how you can get this done easily so you can earn money just by staying home and relaxing. I suggest that you watch this video and listen carefully because you can create an image and earn money just by 10 minutes of work. People from all over the world are enjoying this method because they are earning thousands and thousands of dollars with this particular website. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mug Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. Now before doing this, let me start off by telling you that you do not need any camera, you do not need to take pictures of yourself and post it online or share something to anyone out there. You don't need to have thousands of social media followers. And the good news is, I will give you a free tool where you can get this done very easily. Before we get to the website, take note that this website is paying people a lot of money for these images. I'm going to show you how to create them. So first of all, let's start with how you can get those images done for absolutely free. Okay, so let's start. Open your browser and go over to Adobe Spark. Just type this URL. This website is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of different templates which will allow you to drop and create professional looking designs. So you can create an image without thinking of all the other possible designs and produce yourself a quality and professional image. Simply come over to Adobe Spark and you can read more about what type of designs you can get done with this tool. Now what you can do is you can create social media graphics, you can create a photo journal, even a slideshow, invitation cards, flyers, cover photos, collages, and many other templates that you can see here. These very templates can stand out and they will help you create high quality design, and that's exactly what we will be focusing on. So they also have different features like templates that can stand out on social media platforms, which can help grow your business and so on and so forth. But we will be focusing only on images that we can create in minutes, so we can share instantly the image that we've created. Don't worry, I know you're thinking, what if I don't have a laptop or computer? Let me tell you that even if you don't have a laptop or computer, it's still very much okay because you can still do this with your phone. The application is available for both Android and iOS. So even if you're laying down on your bed holding your phone, you can still very much do this. This is going to be simple, so come over to Adobe Spark and click on Get Started. Now you can create a free account and you can either sign up with your Google account, Facebook, or if you're already an Adobe software user, you can log in through your Adobe ID. Once you figure out what account you want to sign up with, log in and it will immediately redirect you to this page. With your Adobe Spark account, you will be able to browse all of the different templates from this website. You have all these different graphic designs which you can create. These are pretty much 99% done for you. We're just going to have some few tweaks. We just need to change the text and some colors, and that way it becomes your unique design. But before we continue, I would really like to get to know you guys more, so tell me, what photo editing software do you normally use? Do you usually edit photos through your phone or your computer? Or maybe, is this the first time that you're going to try out editing photos? If that's so, I really hope you get to pick up a lot of stuff from this video. Graphic design may seem a little tedious and complicated, but given the right amount of practice and the determination to be on the lookout for tools that will make your work easier, for sure you will be great at it in no time. Let me know by leaving a comment down below. Now that you've learned about Adobe Spark, now it's just gonna be real easy for you to make hundreds of dollars with this next website, which I will share with you. So you can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, presentations, slideshows, branded images, and even custom-sized graphics. All of these different templates are available to you. For example, I want to use the Facebook cover template. I'm just gonna click on that so I can show you how easy it is. I just need to wait for them to move my design to load my template so I can fully customize it. I can change everything. All I have to do is double click on the text, whatever I want to put. For example, I will type Mr. McMoney. When I click done, it will change on this image now on the right hand side. You can also customize colors, you can change the font size, you can absolutely customize everything. You can add different shapes, shadows. Here on the left hand side, you can select different templates in case you don't like this one. So maybe I would rather prefer this one. I can click on try it out and wait until it finishes loading. Look! I can customize this one very easily. It's really convenient and simple to use. Because once again, it's like 99% done for you. You just need to change the text and save it to your computer. Let's see. I want to type again the word money. So I just double click on any part of the screen and it's going to change. Easy, isn't it? Maybe I want to change the background image. Because I can also do that, you know. I can click on replace background and add different filters to my background. It's really simple and easy to use and you can create all sorts of different designs from those templates. Once you're done designing, you can either click the download button right here. Yeah, you're right! That's instantly going to download your work onto your computer. I'm going to download the high quality version of this. As you can see, we have a watermark on this part below. You can open up, for example, a snipping tool, Paint, or any other screenshot software that can edit images which you happen to have on your computer. Just screenshot this image, cut and exclude the watermark, and you're ready to go. So that is how simple it is to get those designs done with Adobe Spark. It takes less than 10 minutes because those templates are 99% done for you. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go back. Now let me show you the websites that will pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs that you create with Adobe Spark. This website is where you will get paid for all of the different designs like logo designs, business cards, web designs, flyer designs, graphic designs, which you can all create with Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes. Excited to know about it? Go head onto your search bar and type designcrowd.com. Now let me show you this. If I go to designers category and let's say for example I select graphic designers, you will be able to see people from all over the world who are also making money. Just to emphasize, you have people from all over the world making hundreds of thousands of money. With that, let's say we select logo designers. You will be able to see that people are also making even more money with these designs. There is a lot of money to be made with designcrowd.com. It's a really good website that pays a decent amount of money for those designs which you can get done in less than 10 minutes. So if you go over to the jobs section right here, you can see that you can create all of those designs and get paid for doing that design. You can create anything from business cards, label designs, brochure design, poster design, advertisement design, and even Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter designs have jobs for that. That is exactly everything that we saw on the previous website, which we can get done in less than 10 minutes of work with Adobe Spark. So what if, for example, you want to focus on flyer design? You can click on that and you will be able to see different available jobs. You can submit your design and get paid. You can get paid for one single image. I can get paid for this project alone. This website is always updating new jobs for whatever design you choose, so you will never run out of jobs to complete. You can have different categories which you can select. You can go on web design or even apparel design. All you have to do is come over to the website to join for free. Click this button right here and enter your email address, create a password, and click on Let's Go. Once you sign up, log into your brand new account and then you can start browsing all of these different jobs. Once you find a suitable one, just click on Submit Your Design and wait to see if you've made money. I want to explain to you exactly how you can pay out for this website. It's really simple. So once you start making money, just go over to your profile right here. Just click Profile Settings and then on the left side, you can select Payouts right here. Then select your payment method. You can enter payment details and that's how you can collect your earnings. And that is it for today's video. If you learned something or liked the video, it would be great if you smash down below the subscribe button and make sure to click the notification bell. If you have any suggestions, comments, or questions, just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.